Hi, I'm Ling. Today I'm going to share with you another 5 Q&A. The first question is, what is the main difference between christening photography and the others? The main difference is, we know how and why we have to focus on couple first. Background is important, but it's secondary to us because a wedding is about the couple and the story.
Well, I guess that the interesting part of the pre-wedding shoot is more like our story, where we used to hang out, how we know each other. So I guess it's something that to show it to our friends and also to show it to our many generations down the road. Yeah.
Many photographers take a picture to show something. We create a photo to tell a story. Question number 2. There are many wedding photography styles in the market. How to choose a style that will suit you? If you are choosing a style, then you're very much like in the liquid form going into shape. There's nothing wrong about it, but your photo will look identical to the others. If you want to be different, I would suggest you to look for a photographer who is capable of creating a concept for both of you. The question is, how to have my own style for pre-wedding photography and at the same time it is trendy. I'll break it into 2 parts. 1. About your own photography style. You have to be yourself during your shoots. Do not act like somebody else. You can add in props which are meaningful to both of you. Engage a photographer who can create a theme for you. Part 2. About trendy. After the photo is taken, make use of post versions to enhance the photos to follow the current trend. But remember to keep the original file so you can re-edit them in the future. Number 4 question. What is the preparation before the shoots? If you are using our service, our photographer will have a pre-shoot discussion with you to discuss with you about the photography ideas, the locations, the attire, the props that you need to bring for the shoots. Please rest well the night before and relax during the shoots. Our photographer will guide you along the way.
And really glad to meet Jackie today. Yeah, in a sense that he really guided us step by step on what kind of ideas we can have for our pre-wedding photo shoot. So at least we know what to do and what to prepare for on the pre-wedding photo shoot day itself.
Location is important, but for me the most important is how I give them direction to guide them to create a photo that with emotion.
Number 5 question is makeup artist important for the shoots? Yes, it's important. The makeup artist has to understand the photography concept and style you accordingly. And it is also very important for the makeup artist and the photographer to work together as a team to achieve the final results.
All in all, I think our photographer did a very good job. The makeup artist for my wife, we should make sure that everything looks good. I think the two of them form a very good team, guiding us along. So the entire experience was really good.
Okay, that's it for today. To learn more about wedding preparation or us, Z-Wedding and christening photography, please visit our online classes, workshop, Q&A, couple reviews via the links in the description below. Please take care and see you next time. Cheers!